There is 10 days left to my beauty bar, and I am so stressed. Kill me now. Oh, I thought I broke a nail. Oh my god, I just haven't had the time to paint them yet! What to do when there's 10 days left? Well, stress, definitely. That's number one on the list. Maybe number like 3, 5, 7, like it's like every other one. We're just gonna stress the fuck out. Definitely stressing already. So check. I'm gonna get into this, fixing this to-do list so that I can start doing shit. I'm gonna put Orange Is the New Black on because I need to fill in the silence.
I'm a murderer. I murdered someone and I let my friend go down for it. So you all can do whatever you want, but I just want to sit here and serve my time.
I only want to serve my time too. I only want to serve my time too.
Anyways, boring! Back to doing actual work. I finished my to-do list. I updated my fucking spreadsheet, but now my printer isn't working. Why? I don't know, other than just to fuck with me. My fucking laptop is on 3%. My patience is like on 1. Honestly. Do I look stressed? I look stressed. What is stress? I'm at 1%! Holy shit! Y'all know what I could be doing? Printing it on the desktop. Right behind me. Wake her up. Don't I? I'm really like... This is how you know I'm stressed. This is such a simple solution. Like, honestly. Alright, you guys don't need to see my drive. Is that printing I hear? Sure is. I am very, very, very... I don't even give a fuck. Like, come on, let's move on. So, finally got my to-do list printed. And I color coordinated it in order of importance. Everything on this fucking list is important. Don't let fucking colors fool you. But pink meaning I'm gonna do this first. Orange meaning that this is gonna be done next. And this needs to be done by the end of the day. Yellow, if I have time, I can work on these. But this is probably what I'm gonna start my day off tomorrow with. So yeah. The first thing on my list is to make the drink list on Photoshop. So I'm gonna get into that later, dudes. So I've been standing at a computer screen for 5 hours. I think I'm overdue for a break, some food maybe. Relax, we're gonna play. My dog wants to bond. Go get it. Now give it back. Give it back. Give it. Why don't you want to play with me? Can I have it? You're really gonna run away from me? So anyways, I am about to feed myself and these dogs and then probably go slave some more in front of the computer. But I'm gonna wrap this up because this vlog boring. So later. See you tomorrow.